Growing up in the 80s was fun! Hello, I'm Aaron Jones and welcome to another vlog coming to you from Nihama in Japan. And today I want to talk about how great it was growing up in the 1980s. Now I was born in 1975, so 1980 came around, I was 5 years old, and so from 5 years old until I was 15, I grew up in the 80s. And for a young boy, growing up in the 80s was great. Not just because they had great toys, great animation. Now, you can argue that the toys, of course, was a big marketing thing, but hey, toys were cool back when I was young in the 1980s. And TV shows and movies. It was a generation that I think the 80s was just fun. And I wanted to talk about some of the parts of that decade that I really enjoyed, from toys and animation. Oh, here comes the little cat. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, let's see. So, as some of you may know, I'm a big Transformers fan, especially the original Transformers, which of course is from the 1980s. Now, I remember when I was very young, I saw the very first episode and I fell in love right away. Went out and convinced my mother to buy me Optimus Prime, and the rest is history. So Transformers, of course, for me in the 1980s was the #1 animation, especially Generation 1. And if you want to know more about that, you can look through my vlogs about the Optimus Prime episode. I talk more about that there. And also, of course, G.I. Joe was another one of my favorite animations. Usually in Canada, when I came home from school, after Transformers had finished its first run, when it was running on just Saturday mornings, it was coming afternoon, it would be Transformers and then G.I. Joe. So I watched Transformers, G.I. Joe. Also Mask. Do you remember Mask? The characters, they would wear these special masks. I thought that was a really interesting series, and I really enjoyed that series as well. Also because their vehicles transformed. I think there's a transforming thing that came out there. And let's see, for TV, of course, A-Team. Now, I was a big A-Team fan, and I think it was Thursday nights I had to watch A-Team every Thursday, and the Knight Rider, a talking car, robot car. I mean, how awesome is that? You don't find TV shows like that, or they remade the Knight Rider TV show, but the feeling isn't there. You know, David Hasselhoff, it's Michael Knight. And Airwolf, another great series, and especially the first I think 2 seasons, and then they did a remake, kind of 3 seasons, 3rd season or 4th season, I can't remember. It wasn't as good, but the original cast series of Airwolf was great. And also sitcoms, and lots of great sitcoms during the 1980s. And Cosby Show. Do you remember Perfect Strangers? That's one that I really enjoyed. And what else was there? Other TV shows. So The Greatest American Hero, and what was the other one? Oh, MacGyver. Do you remember MacGyver? I mean, MacGyver has big pop culture reference, but MacGyver. And I also enjoyed MacGyver because MacGyver was filmed in Vancouver, and sometimes they filmed in Victoria, so it was kind of neat to say, hey, I know where that location is, when I was young, because, you know, local area up here on TV, it was kind of a big thing. And let's see. Oh, for movies, of course, for me, young, my very first movie that I went, the very first movie I went to when I was very young, I went to Star Trek the Motion Picture, but I think I fell asleep because I was like 5 years old or something, 4 or 5 years old. I don't know why, my father took me. But of course, E.T., this is the first movie I actually remember watching, and I was riveted. E.T. Was a great movie. Gremlins, Pee-wee's Big Adventure, Ferris Bueller's Day Off, The Breakfast Club, and Ghostbusters. Did I mention Ghostbusters? Of course. RoboCop, the original RoboCop movie, that was awesome. I haven't seen the remake, but the original, I don't know why remake it, the original RoboCop is great. Again, all the great things that I enjoyed growing up in the 80s in pop culture. If you grew up in the 80s, what things, what animation, what cartoons, what toys, what movies and TV shows did you enjoy out of the 80s? Please share them in the comment, because growing up in the 80s was great. And I don't think that's some of the things that happened or were aired or were sold will never happen again, like Megatron, a transforming handgun. In other series, they've got rid of that. Of course, in the movie, like the Michael Bay movies, you cannot have a giant robot change into a handgun. But as a toy, as a kid, that was great. And you're never going to see that again. So tell me what you enjoyed about the 1980s, or what you enjoyed about in the decade that you grew up in. And please share that below in the comments. And that's about all for this vlog. I will have another Inspire Magic series probably tomorrow. I have written the script for it. I have the subject. I just haven't filmed it yet. I was going to do it today, but I haven't got everything exactly worked out what I want to say, so decided to do the vlog instead. And then cool news coming up very soon, and my special video that I want to do about me doing weird things. Hopefully I can film that tomorrow, and sometime during the week I'll have that up. But anyways, to be notified when I have a new video on my channel, please subscribe at this button over here, leave comments, share with your friends, and until next time, see you then. Bye bye.